gotta dry you all off. Okay, Pumpkin? Yeah. Dry my baby all off. Get those ears. Oh, you don't like that. Get the mouth. Oh, you don't like that either. We gotta get everything. Almost got it. Oh, it went too far, didn't it? You want a gold star? Just because you're Lexi and you deserve a gold star? Yeah, I'll take your gold star and eat it too. That's what I think of your gold star, Mom.